There you go. What's going on there? Whoa, good morning, bro. Good morning, good morning. See if we can hit that light goal today. Let's go. I agree. I agree. All right, I think we're set up now. For whatever reason, the vertical stream wasn't popping on, so I had to reset it. Vertical was just fine, so I had to create a new stream, new encoder, and figured it out. Mailman, what up? Good morning. Good morning. All right, guys. New day filled with plenty of opportunity. Present. What do we mean, like in school? You're late. You're late, Levon, but you're present. That's all I care about. I'm just kidding, man. I'm just kidding. All right, let me clean this up here. We just had some news, it looks like. Let's take a look at what we got going on. All right, so 6:30, we had unemployment rates, manufacturing payroll. Unemployment was better, slightly better, and some building permits. Very nice. Michigan consumer sentiment in an hour and 19 minutes. Not bad, not bad. All right, well, we're here. We made it. Thank goodness we made it. I'm just happy to be alive. Not gonna lie. Not that I had any near-death experiences or anything. I'm just saying I'm just happy to be alive, thankful to be alive. Not every day. It's not every day is a present, as Levon would say. I'm just trying to be more grateful and present as much as possible. I picked up this Remarkable 2 tablet last night off of Facebook Marketplace. Comes with a little case, has a nice little pen here, so I could be more organized. It has trading stuff, what I said. And then I started building this last night. To-do list, daily to-do list. Update Discord with Will. That's number 1, Will. Work on getting Angel access to post as my manager so she can post all of our stuff on my behalf. Apply for more affiliates. Create TX3 educational video. Create X account, Will. It's also in there too. So yeah, I absolutely love this thing, to be honest. It is actually sweet. The reason why I wanted to get this is because I had an iPad before, and I love the iPad. It's amazing. It's a crazy piece of tech, but has YouTube and Instagram on it too. So I'll try to use it for like work purposes or being organized, and I get distracted. So this is like a perfect tablet, and the feel of it is amazing. Not a sponsor, because this is what I usually do. I usually have a bunch of papers with writing on it, and never turns out well. So, hello, Remarkable 2. Hello. Also, had a flat tire. Well, my back rear tire has been going flat or losing air, and have a long drive today, and I was like, crap, I need to get this fixed before the drive today. So I paid someone to come out, swap the tire with a used tire that I had in my storage area, and it ruined the traction control this morning on my Tesla. So because the tire that I swapped out is actually smaller than the other 4 or other 3, and now the Tesla's losing traction control, and I can't drive it today. So I got to figure out how to, might have to borrow the missus' car and drive that today. But yeah, so I feel a little tired. Written paper is better than digital notes. You know, I am half and half. I will like paper because paper never forgets, right? It's on paper, there's something authentic about it, something that feels good about it. But I am notorious for not writing down my notes, not following through with like these to-do lists and whatnot, and then also forgetting to bring this with me places, right? So shout out to paper. You'll always be in my life, just not as much anymore. We had iPad kids. Now we have iPad Shack. Yeah, right. Well, this is remarkable Shack. Remarkable. But it really is amazing. Like, my handwriting is like chicken scratch, but it's really amazing. So I'm excited to use it, and I didn't pay full price for it. I got it for a really decent price. I could probably sell it right now for a profit if I wanted to, but I'm not selling it. So hit Gen X. My brother Shaq is trading on a news day. No wonder it's raining in South Africa. Jen, you're funny, bro. Yeah, news is momentum. Uh-oh. Can you guys hear me? Will? Oh, now you can. Okay. My bad. All right. So news is momentum, guys. Like news equals momentum. So let's take a look at the charts. You know, maybe there's something that might pop up here. So I've got gold on the 1 hour. Draw this out here. Subconsciously in my mind, I hear, all you need is $150 so that you can get a green day and get a payout. And I have to say, flee from me, Satan. Flee. That's what I have to say to that thought. Because I'm so close to getting a payout, but that's where it'll mess you up. Because you start playing this prop firm game of like, okay, I can get a payout. You know what I mean? So I'm trying not to think that way. But I'm saying it out loud because it helps me stay aware and in the present. Hey guys, if it would mean so much to me if you could just tap that like button just to get the algorithm juices flowing and get some good juju on the stream. You know what I mean? Get some good juju flowing, and we can potentially have a winning day today. So yeah, let's do this thing. We are at the 1 hour on gold, and it looks like we have a supply here. Very nice. We also have a 1 hour demand here. Technically it's here, but it's so high up. Since we broke the highs, I would like to potentially look for longs on gold. It would be right here. I'd probably look for longs in this area on this 5-minute demand. So if gold decides to come back, retest this demand, I like the setup. Let me just look at it one more time. It's within a 1 hour demand. It's a 5-minute demand. I'd want to see this 1 hour candle close above this line here. So I'd want to see this 1 hour gold candle close above this last high to indicate and move higher. So we have 12 minutes to see what happens there. So on gold, not bad, not bad. And then let's also take a look at the volume profile indicator. I want to try adding that into our confluences as we continue. So here. I'll do it up to 6:30. All right, so we have the volume profile indicator pulled up now, right, for the overnight session up until 6:30. And if you look here, we have value area high, point of control, and then value area low. The point of control and the value area high kind of fall within the 5-minute demand zone that I'm looking to go long. So that's added confluence for us to feel confident to go long. I'm not saying that it's a for sure answer, but I feel better about longs with these added confluences there. All right, so let's set an alert. Let's go over to NQ. Take a look here. I got myself a matcha green tea this morning. I usually get coffee, but I didn't want to drink caffeine necessarily, like straight up coffee caffeine. I guess there's coffee in matcha tea. I don't know. I just didn't feel like drinking coffee this morning, so got myself matcha. Here is a 1 hour supply that we tapped and rejected, really strong. And then we also have this 1 hour supply that we're currently in. And then we have a clean 1 hour demand down here that I would watch. So look, maybe potential shorts down into this 1 hour demand would be a play for today on NQ. Selling the news on NQ is a actually very high probability setup. So selling this right now might be pretty good. I don't want to jump right into it, but definitely on what a lot of times happens on NQ is like there will be a nice strong push of volume based off of news, and sometimes the news tends to just sell off. So I'm interested in possibly taking this short on the combine only to give this a taste, get our beaks wet this morning, see what we can do. Green Globe Explorations, good morning, good morning. I like the sell-off and possible longs in this demand. Let's see how this next 5-minute candle closes, and I'll potentially take a stab short on combine only. Ah, man. What's up with you guys? How you guys feeling? How's y'all's morning, evening coming? Or afternoon? All depends where you're at. All right, I'm going to take an early trade here. Just on the combine.
Order filled.
Just on the combine. Taking a stab short to the on the combine. See if we get the follow through. On combine, brother, I'm gonna be honest. Just do 5 micros and gamble the combines, and then really trade once they're expressed. Yeah, I agree with you, bro. That's exactly what I do. I don't on the combines. I don't really take it too crazy serious. I only trade the what is it called? The express accounts. Like I trade those very serious. It looks like we're gonna get stopped out on it.
Order filled.
Tight risk, 177 bucks. Totally fine with it. No issues here. Not stressing it. How many yellow you're allowed to trade? How many minis are you allowed to trade? On TopStep, I think it's 3 on a 50k account max. But I try to trade micros only. I'm doing great. I had a shower, eating breakfast, and currently drinking coffee. Wolf, you got a vibe going on over there, bro. How do we vibe like that? Teach us how to vibe like you do, bro. I usually shower the night before, so showering in the morning sounds nice, but I end up waking up my wife because we have a 1-bedroom apartment, so I try to not do that. Drives me crazy when people play it safe on combine. It takes them most month to barely make $100 here and there. No, not to do that once it's funded. Yeah, I agree, bro. Once I realize like I'm spending so much time trying to make money on a express account or a combine, I started to be a lot more risky. Now, I was trading Forex at the time, and they were a lot more expensive. It was $500 for a 100k account, and bro, I would spend it. It would be like 450 or something, and it was 2 phases, and you had to get 5% and 8%. Lose so much money then. Now it's much cheaper and more manageable. Shower in the morning helps waking me up. That's why I like it, just it gets the blood flowing, so it's a good idea. I meant to gamble 5 combines on news today and forgot. Dang, 5 combines. Okay, man. I like the risk, bro. I like it. Let me pull up gold. Appreciate the likes, guys. Appreciate the likes. Hey, bro, what's the bias today? I'm a bit indecisive. That's a great statement, Nathan. That's a great statement to start the day with. I actually don't generally have a bias. Like crazy. I know it sounds crazy. But I don't come in having a bias. And I don't want to be all like thinking. I don't want to say I'm going against what you're thinking, but I genuinely don't come into the markets thinking, okay, I think we're going to be going long today from this area and da-da-da-da. I basically look at what I'm looking at now, and I think, okay, hey, I think right now if price comes down to here, I would like to go long. That's it. There's nothing more than that. I don't look at it as at the 1 hour and say, okay, yeah, we're definitely like making higher highs and lower highs, and I think that if this candle closes, we're going longer. I just think if a candle closes above this high, it'd be interesting to go long. You know what I mean? I'm just trying to explain that I don't really have a bias, if that makes sense. Because I used to be stuck, and I still get stuck in that phase sometimes when I go in tilt, where I'm like, no, this is supposed to go higher. Like we're supposed to be going long, and then it keeps going down, right? So I try to stay neutral every day. Sorry for the long-winded answer. Yo, what happened to your XFAs? Clee, I got you, bro. They're right here, bad boy. I don't know why I called you bad boy. I'm out of whack, bro. I feel awkward that I just said that, bad boy. They're right here, bro. I'm tired. I probably should just really just chill out, not even do anything today, but I'm here. So they're right here, Clee. I got 2 Express accounts right here. 3,425 each. I'm just not trading them right now. Can't take a shower in the morning. I hate going to bed feeling dirty, or like if I have been out all day, I want to lay in bed without I want to lay in bed without a shower. I feel it. I feel the same way. I genuinely take a shower at night because in the morning my wife's asleep. I wake up early. I wake up at 4. So if I shower and I wake her up, I'll feel so bad, so I take a shower strictly not because I'm trying to feel clean at night, but really because I don't want to wake my wife up. So all right, bad boy. I cracked myself up. I don't know where that came from. Okay, bad boy. Oh man, it's gonna be a good day. It is gonna be nice. It blew mine. I am taking 2.5 weeks off to another. Hey man, much respect for being honest, saying it out there, putting it out into the world. If you're not in the Discord, just chat it up with us, bro. We want to support you. I want to support you. Not easy. I've been there. Like I told you guys, I had like 5 accounts, all up in decent profit, and I blew it up in a day, bro. So I totally understand. Take a break, enjoy yourself, and hopefully we see you in the future. Isn't it like 6:58 a.m. for you? Yes, it is. About to be 7, top of the morning. About to be the top in the morning for us. Harry Potter. My wife is really good at like doing Harry Potter like sayings and stuff. She's like crazy good. Clee, don't feel bad. I blew 4 funded last year, right before New Year's. Yeah, bro, we've all been there. We've all been there. Harry Potter, Harry. Wingardium Leviosa. All right, here we go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we broke the highs, so it's valid. It is valid. Longs are valid for me now. But I don't want to take it just yet. Wait, where are you streaming from? Cali, I believe. Cali is where I go for vacations and getaways, but I'm here in Arizona. My birthday's on like another week or 2, and we'll be going to San Diego. Stay out there for a few nights and then come back. Wingardium Leviosa. Okay, all right. It doesn't look like we're gonna get the shorts in this 5-minute demand anytime soon, and that's a-okay with me. That's A-okay with me. You need more people talking so we can push your live. Where's Bullish God, Eric, and Dylan? All good, man. I'm all good. I mean, we fluctuate anywhere from 31 to 45, so it gets there. But yeah, you know what could help, guys? If you can tap that like button, just gently. Now, you know what? Smash it today. It's Friday. Smash the like button. Punch it in the face. Headbutt the thing. Headbutt the like button. And we pump up the algorithm. It's okay since 1225. I have lost over 5K purchasing evals in Tradify S2F. Dang, bro. I feel your pain. Feel your pain, man. Yeah, bro. Join that Discord. Join the Discord. Let's talk it up. And it's always good to talk these things through with other traders that are actually like trading and losing money and making money. And I used to do it alone, and I used to go through that like phase of going on tilt completely by myself and lose it, bro. Just completely lose it. Talkie. We here, baby. Let's go. 5K. That is much, which I'm struggling hard to raise 100 for a trading account. My gosh. Yeah, you know, everybody's appetite for risk is different, guys. You know what I mean? $5,000 to some people is a big chunk of money, and that's the majority of people. 5,000 is quite a bit. 5,000 to some multimillionaires is $500 to them, you know? So it's all relative, but yeah. What the move though? Right now I'm looking at gold longs potentially. So looking for this setup on gold. It's all good. I've been doing this for 4 years, and this year I'm changing it to make 1 mil. Please, who are you? And you're gonna make $1 mil? That's amazing, bro. Congratulations to you, bro. Definitely not easy. I'm happy for you, man. That Smoker, how much are you up this year? Me? If you're talking to me, I have 50K accounts this year. And they're at 3,425 each. So 6,800. Excuse me, guys. The cold dry air makes me cough. I need to get a humidifier. Why are you buying from that zone? Great question, Ascend. If you tap the like button, I'll tell you. I'm just kidding. So if you hit the 1 hour time frame, we have a 1 hour candle, 1 hour demand right here. That's kind of big. So that's where I'm looking to go long. And then if you look at this 1 hour high, this 1 hour candle just broke this last high. So now we're confirmed. Well, we have a strong indication that we want to go long, right? Number two, this 5 minute candle structure broke this high right here, right? So that's another indication that we want to go long. We look for the pullback and the retest of a certain area to go long. I don't want to chase this move, right? I don't want to try going long now. But here, we have a 5 minute demand that I feel confident, or that I potentially like to go long in, because we have the point of control here, which is essentially where price is balanced from the overnight session. And that also aligns with the 5-minute demand that I'm looking to go long in. There is a lower 5-minute demand right here, but it's already been tapped with this news candle. So I don't know how confident I am for it to go there, but it might. So for now, I'm looking at this 5-minute demand. Hopefully that answers your question. Hey guys, this is just a combine. This is just a combine. Hold your horses. Just relax. Just relax. Just a combine. I ain't stressing this too much. I can handle a $97 loss and reset the combine. But I'm looking for the news to sell off. So that's what I'm aiming for. Not taking it on the funded accounts. Funded accounts are just chilling. Hopefully SNDX that answered your question. Fed Smoker, yes sir. Nice. Just bought SIDU. I don't know what SIDU is. I think someone's mentioned that before. Yo, I've been thinking about moving to AZ forever. Been there 7 times and not sure yet. Might be coming soon for vacation. What will you recommend to go? Definitely Grand Canyon. Yeah, Grand Canyon is one of those things that Arizona you want to do, but if you're looking to be like in Arizona, Phoenix, like the cities, Sedona, beautiful, bro. Sedona is definitely where you want to hit. Just the structures, the mountain structures, it's all red. It's like red rock. It's beautiful. So Sedona. And then Scottsdale is one of the wealthiest cities. That's where I'm at. And there's a lot of really like awesome stuff to do here. I am definitely by no means not wealthy, but you know, freaking every day I just see Lamborghinis and Uruses and Ferraris just driving around. It's like a normal thing. So Scottsdale has lots of cool food and nightlife and stuff like that. And as far as like hiking goes, there's hiking everywhere, especially this time of year, bro. Camelback Mountain, Paradise Valley, some sick hiking. Arizona's great. You can carry a gun around, which is great. I like that idea. Without any issues, and it's not as expensive as California, so I think that you get the best of both worlds. I can go to California whenever I want, just a 4-hour, 5-hour drive, and I get to stay in Arizona where it's not as expensive. So I've been adding to the Discord organization sheet from what I heard from Dylan thought about. And do you know when you guys are going to meet up? Yes, we are planning Tuesday night next week. Dylan, if you're listening, can we confirm that? Tuesday night next week. For what combine? Hello. Yeah, I'm trading the TopStep combine right now, currently. Slavko, 445 buy, 445. You're saying that price is going to come down to 445. That would be deep discount, bro. I think that'd be good. Is there any way I can get help to fund my trading account? You can do the prop firm route and trade prop firms, and maybe we do a giveaway today. I don't know. Do we feel like it? Should we do it? I don't know. You know, let's see. Maybe we do a 50K account giveaway. I don't know. We kind of have to see how it goes. You know what I mean? Hey man, I'm from India. Every day I watch you. Thanks, bro. Sign, I appreciate you. Sign creation. That means a lot. And hopefully you're enjoying the streams, man. Hopefully you're enjoying your time. From Tolleson here. What's up, Damien? Bro, Tolleson, some hail hit you guys like a few months ago. And I manage a commercial roofing call center. I'm part of a roofing company. And, bro, we pound Tolleson commercial properties. So if you know anybody, I got you. But Tolleson's where it's at. Is that where the Buc-ee's is going to be at in Tolleson, bro? Because my wife and I were driving from California. We saw the Buc-ee's off the freeway, and I don't know if that was in Tolleson or not. Don't you use indicators? I do. I have the 13 EMA and then the 200 EMA for added confluences. And then now I'm trying to use a volume profile indicator as additional confluence. Young Mula, wow. Young Mula 50K account, that is a big man. Yeah, it's a demo account, guys. It's not real. It's sim funded. It's not like it's legitimately $50,000. They're giving you simulated funds. So take that with a grain of salt. I think there's some longs are going to come right here, so gonna get out where I think we should go long.
Order filled.
I'm gonna close it there. Tap the blue line. Nice trade, everybody. Nice trade. This was a very hunchy play. It's all based off a hunch, not really a setup. So take what I just did with a grain of salt. Nothing too crazy about it. Nothing too in depth. Didn't think much about it. I've seen it time and time again where the news sells off, and on the 5 minute we started getting weak. I lost the trade. I lost the trade in the beginning, the first time, and then we broke this trend line. Decided to take the chance short. Could have been wrong, but it was a W. So, I never been to this kind of live stream. First time, man. Thanks, man. And welcome. You're welcome to stay, and would love to earn your subscription. Hit the subscribe button if I earned it, and would love to have you continually with us in the future. Use VWAP. It on Monday. U.S. market open. I used to use VWAP, which is volume weighted average price. I no longer use VWAP. Just kind of didn't really add any more confluence to what I was trying to do. So don't use VWAP anymore. One of the car I thought I would never get to see was around me is a Pagani. And I see it and I had to take a second to look and think the guy is crazy because our roads suck. That's crazy, man. I've seen a Pagani in person here in Scottsdale once, maybe, I think. And they're amazing. Like, work of art on wheels, bro. Crazy. And if the roads aren't good out there, he's taking a risk. Young Mullah, demo account. Yeah, it's a demo. It's a sim funded. Well, you have to pass it, right? So this is just the demo account. This is sim funded. So meaning this isn't real cash. These are simulated profits that I can take money from. The company will pay me on. So yeah. News should be interesting today. Yeah, I mean the news dropped, and we have Michigan sentiment in 44 minutes. So at the top of the hour. I sold the pump on NQ and worked out nicely. I think that there may be some longs if we take a look at NQ here. Clean this up a bit. Tap this 1 hour supply again, rejected, and this 1 hour demand is now in play, which we tapped nicely. This 1 hour demand, and there's a 5 minute demand within this 1 hour demand that would be interesting to go long in. So we would just be following a trend, right? higher high, lower high, higher high. Boom, boom. Feel like that. So we would just be following the trend if we wanted to take this long, but the market's about to open and news is about to hit, so I'm gonna take it slow. Bullish is here. Welcome, Bullish guys, another fellow Arizonian. Bullish, there's a guy here who Damien, he's in Tolleson. So aren't you in Tolleson too? Or Buckeye? Forgot. But if you're in Tolleson, bro, that's crazy. Hey guys, just a friendly reminder, if you can tap the like button if you're just joining the stream, would mean so much to get the algorithm juices flowing, and maybe we do a 50K giveaway today. 50K account with TX3 Markets. But we got to hit those. We got to get those 50 likes though, for us to get that done. I left for a little, came back to see the dub. Yeah, thanks, man. Hopefully your little getaway was good. Welcome back. Tolleson, dang, bro. Should I be going to Tolleson? Because that's where everybody's at now. I'm up here in Scottsdale, and it's too fancy. You know what I mean? Too fancy up here. It's nice. Don't get me wrong. It's nice up here, but it's a little too posh for my liking. Do you trade Riot? No, I have not traded Riot in such a long time. I used to trade stocks, man. I was in the GME before GME became GME. I was trading GME at like $12 to $16 on options way back in the day. So yeah. Longs on NQ potentially, but market's about to open, so I'm not going to take it. All right, so I'm going to clean up gold really quick. Let's hit that 1 hour. This is overnight session value area high, point of control, overnight session value area low. Okay. Now, something could happen here where we have price drop, right? And if the 5-minute candle closes below this last higher low, then we would look to go short. So I'm gonna watch for that. If that pulls up, then that I'll definitely take that short. Traders POV, what's up, brother? Welcome, welcome. I was looking at the long on NQ as well and thought the same thing about market open. Yeah. See what happens here, because I mean we're in that area now on NQ. You know, deep discounted price would be down here. So maybe at market open it pushes down to this 1 hour demand and then breaks higher. So that's a possibility. In shorts from that high in NQ. Nice, bro. I was short up here too somewhere. I took profits down here. So nice work. Nice trade. Fozen Shaq MT. What's up, bro? How'd you highlight the name? That's pretty cool. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, let's do it. Let's do a giveaway. 50 likes equal 50K TX3 eval give comment There you go, guys. We got to get 50 likes though, so we got to get those likes up. Gombert, dude, no way. Michael Gombert on the live today. Let's go, bro. That is the solar god right there, guys. Michael Gombert, aka Solar God. Well, he does more than just solar. So, Michael, welcome, bro. Welcome. Okay, guys, we got to get those likes up. We got to get those likes up to 50, and I'll do the TX3 50K account giveaway. I need eval, bro. Please. Hey, man, you got your chance. You got to stick to the stream. You got to stay with us. And we got to get to the 50 likes. You can comment hashtag GodCandle now, but we got to wait till we get the 50. And I'll usually do it till around like 8:30 MST, 8:30 my time. Michael Gombert, energy. Yes, sir. He's an energy guy. Shout out to you, bro. Thanks for checking in on a busy day. Hi, Michael. I'm Michael. Will, you're Michael? Oh, that's right. Yeah, I forgot. You sent me your name to get to your account. Oh, bro. All right, so market's about to open here shortly, guys. Let's just stay patient. Our 5-minute demand area got busted through, which is all good. Now we're looking at this 1 hour demand, potentially for longs. We're not going to take it just yet, since market is just about to open. Michaels are the best. That is such a Michael thing that you guys should say. Yo, so crazy that the vertical has more watching than horizontal. What had the world become to? Bro, I don't know, Maddie. That's why I have both up. I just have the horizontal. I have it on my phone, so I'm talking to you on my phone, Maddie. And sometimes I'll get like 10 viewers at a time on the horizontal, but the vertical, we get like max 45 at a time to like low end 25 at a time. So, but we here. Michaels are the best. All right, shout out W's to the Michaels out there. Any other Michaels in the chat? Dang, this 1 hour demand looking spicy. This 1 hour demand's looking spicy. It's bouncing off. Very nice. Very nicely. Just a very, very, very tight trend line. Probably not even worth looking at, but quick scalp, bro. Look at this demand. Look at this demand cooking. I'm gonna draw out this 5-minute demand, and potentially look for, if we get a run up here, close above, I will look to go long on the eval only, not the funded accounts. Evals only. ItGenX, what's up? ItGen is the creator and holds the patent to God Candle. He is the creator of the hashtag God Candle. It was like one of the first streams. We had a W. He was like, we need that God Candle, and we got a W because of it, because that God Candle showed up. So ItGen, thank you. All right, let's get some positive vibes in the chat. Let's get some ones if you feel like we're gonna have a W. We're gonna have a green day. 2 if you think it's gonna be a red day. I'm gonna give the red day people a chance. So 1 if you think that we're gonna be getting a win. 2 if you think we're gonna have a loss. Go ahead and get your votes in. While you're doing that, I'm gonna look at our poll. Happy Friday. Did we finish with the bull run this week? 41% of you say you betcha. 20% of you think, shh, Bear's gonna drop it. So 20% of you are Bears. I'm with you on the Bear side. Freaking Mark says 3. There's always that guy. There's always that guy in class that just doesn't want to follow the rules, but he's cool though. You know what I mean? Everyone's like 1, 2, and then Mark's in the back, like back right corner where the doors to leave the class, because he's the first one to leave. He just goes like this. 3. That's Mark. Gen X 1. All right. 2. Okay. Bro, you don't trade BTC? I don't trade BTC. I do like to trade I do like to look at BTC quite a bit. So people say girls want a 666. Man, I'm a 2-3 the way there. I just need a 6-figure salary. What are you saying, Wolf? It's so random. Are you rapping or something? Are you doing scalping? I am. I consider this scalping. Mark, it's a bull. Good luck, everyone. Michael out. Deuces, Mike. Talk to you later. Hey, I'm looking for that proposal. I haven't gotten it yet. They're gonna ask me. Okay, bye. Love you, bye. Vincent Muchamba. 1. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's take a look at BTC because someone brought it up. I saw BTC do a nice little run up, but it looks like we sold off in that area. So we were in the 94, 92 at some point. Yeah, we ran up. I'm gonna go on the daily. So gold tapped in this one, daily demand. We've rejected, and there's a daily demand here. So I would say there would be some longs that pop up in the 89,000 area based on the daily. So just my quick analysis there. The guy in the class who didn't want to follow rules was my teacher. Now I have to point on the bear. I have to point on the bear where he touched me. Huh? What? Bro, what are you talking about? Are you okay? I'm worried about the news this weekend. Like the Venezuela type news and Russia and stuff like that. Yeah, I agree. Isn't it crazy how sometimes the news only happens on the weekends? And maybe people are shorting or buying, anticipating news and how it's going to play out. That could be real. Let's end today with a positive mindset, win or lose. 100%. Love that, bullish. I totally agree. Yeah, that's real right there. We gotta have a positive mindset, whether it's a win or lose. If we have a losing trade, it's gotta be within our parameters and a setup that we should take. Maddie W, Maddie 1. Sorry, Maddie, I didn't look at my phone. I agree. Always, yes, sir. Terry, what up, Terry? 18 likes, guys. Not too far. Do that 50K giveaway, but we have to get 50 likes. We got to get the stream to 50. So, look, you got to tell your other peers who are watching here, if they haven't liked the stream, they got to like it. All right, let me get off of Bitcoin. Okay. Market's about to open, and we are going to create a new volume profile indicator of the current price action. Market's open, everybody. Stay tight. I'm doing the potty dance, and I'm trying to hold it because I want to be here to look at the markets. This lo-fi music just pops, bro. Seems like a good short in the support zone. Possibly. It's a little too early to tell, to be honest. Slightly early to tell. We'll have to see how this plays out. Gold though might be triggering a short for me. If this 5-minute candle, guys, this 5-minute candle closes below this low right here, I will then look to go short. Excuse me. Dylan, dude, what up? Market just opened and NAS is like later. Yeah, it's a peace. It says peace out. Momentum is bullish. Is there momentum? Is there bullish? There might be bullish momentum. See this 5-minute candle open is pushing. So Frankie, what's up, bro? Catching you on the horizontal stream. You can join the vertical where everybody else is at if you get too lonely here. But Frankie, what's up, man? I'm doing good. How are you? How's your day going? Crude is going to hit 65 this month close. That's my view. What's yours? I haven't looked at crude. I'll have to take a look at that, bro. I don't look at crude. I'm going sideways. Dylan, what do you mean you're going sideways? Took out the 1-hour high. Talking about NQ. Yeah, it did. It definitely did. Let's see how this next 5-minute candle closes at the open. $20 likes, guys. We're almost halfway there. We're almost halfway to the like goal. So make sure to tap the like button if you haven't done so we can get this giveaway. Okay, guys. Hasn't happened yet, but we're looking for price to break below this support to go short. It's pushing higher. Gold's pushing higher. NQ is trying to hold in this 1-hour demand. Listen, if NQ can hold in this 1-hour demand, I will potentially look for longs. I'm liking it. I might take it on the eval. Went long on crude, gonna hold it till Thursday. Nice, dude. Props to you on holding trades like that, bro. I cannot hold trades that long. I'm on the big one now. Frankie, what's up, bro? What's up? Is there a giveaway today? Yes, there is. Thanks for reminding me. 50 likes equals 50K TX3 account giveaway. So, gotta get those likes up though. NQ. NQ technically breaking these lows is a change of structure where shorts would, I would take this short. But it's happening so fast that I don't know if I feel confident enough taking it short here, guys. Man, taking that trend line break would have been nice. Pump those likes and join the Discord because some people end up winning but have no Discord. Yeah, you gotta join the Discord because that's where I take care of validating everything. Robert, what's up? What's up? I didn't expect one candle from entry to TP. No, did that happen, bro? No. Oh man, I hate when that happens. We do have the court ruling today. Anything can happen. Man, you guys keep up with news more than I do. I need to keep up with that more. All right, let's look at the current session volume profile indicator. Value area high. We got point of control. Value area low for today's session. Maybe shorting value area, point of control, I should say. Potentially. Down to value area low. That's madness, bro. Nice. NQ might just be ripping higher. Our gold might just continue to rip higher. Losing momentum. Yeah, luckily it went one tick into TP, so it did fill. Oh, nice, dude. Nice. It's losing momentum, so it's possibly momentum short is possibly. Yeah, I agree. You know, if it slows up here, I might take it short. But news is in about 20 minutes. I'm curious if it wiped anyone in here. Possibly. Or gold dropping around point of control. Point of This is hard. This is the hardest part, guys. Just doing nothing. I felt myself wanting to take a trade here, go long, but it's not in my parameters. There's no reason for me to do it. I could be right, but that's when things can go wrong. It's like I'm taking a trade that and I was talking about taking it on my live funded account. So. Gen X, where there are winners, there are always losers. Dylan James. Gen X always has the thing to say, you know? Came up with hashtag God Candle. And then all of a sudden he just drops a banger. Where there are winners, there are always losers. Zero sum game, guys. Zero sum game trading. All right, I gotta use the bathroom. Ah, golly. Such bad timing to have to use. All right, I'm gonna use the bathroom because at this point I'm not gonna trade till news anyway. So take care of each other. Watch out. I was gonna go long. I was gonna go long. I wanted to go long here. I really wanted to go long here. Here he comes. He's back. Chair's gone. Chair's out of here. Right now he's like this. That's what the chair's saying right now. DeJossi. What's up, bro? Welcome back, brother. So far, so good, my friend. So far, so good. Have we looked at gold, dog? Have we looked at gold? Oh, yes. Gold broke the low. Gold broke this low. All right, guys. I'm gold is in play.
Order filled.
This is just on the eval. With news coming, I didn't want to take the risk. I'm taking the risk on the live funded. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, the candle closed. Didn't close. I'm gonna take it at point of control.
Order filled.
All right, we're gonna risk $200. So we're at the 5-minute break of structure. I'm also taking it short at the point of control on, or at the value area high. Probably got stopped out on the combine. I did get stopped out on the combine. We'll do it one more time on the combine. This setup might sweep the highs and then come lower, so that's the risk that we're taking. But I like the current point of value area high to short it. Breathe. This could be one of those where it comes up and sweeps the high and then rejects. So kind of what it's looking like. We're going to get stopped out on the eval. I'm lowering my risk because if it pops up and breaks higher, I don't want to be in a part of it.
Order filled.
All right, so we managed our risk on that. Totally good with it. You know, it could be risky with news, and I'm happy with the trade. Happy with the trade. You have to take those chances, and it's still live. I still think this is a good trade. We just need to see how the next few 5-minute candles play out. I'm going to enter in back short on these lows. Oof. Good that we didn't get caught there. All right, so if it sweeps the high and continues higher, sweep, we'll wait for a break and retest. If it sweeps the high and rejects, we'll look for it again. Did you short, long as well? You guys went long while I went short. Very possible, guys. Very possible. Yeah, we're in the 1 hour supply zone right now. So that's why I took it short with the break of structure. That's technically setup that I take. So potentially, you know, price might want to come up here. So on 5 minute, it failed to make a new high. I'm liking shorts still. Just gonna wait for added confluence to take it short. Three, two, one on this candle. All right, well, that candle didn't flip, so taking that off. Big inside. Are there new payout rules on TopStep? Yes, there is. I forgot what it is. Big inside bar expecting since the court ruling. There'll be indecision here since it's huge. Agreed. Agreed. Very risky. And Q is finally making a decision, wanting to go lower. All right, so NQ is definitely going to push low. Potentially, if this 5-minute candle makes a new lower low, I would look for shorting somewhere here. What a move. Just a very clean trendline break right here, guys. Very clean. All right, so gold is coming up. I put an alert up here to see if gold breaks this high on the 1 hour and rejects. So let's see if gold breaks the 1 hour here and rejects its highs. So if it comes up here and rejects the supply, I will look to short it. Excuse me. Right now, gold, I don't feel like touching anymore based on what's happening. So just gonna let it breathe and do its thing. NQ seems a bit more interesting to me. Lower low, lower high, lower low, high. Just kind of follow the trend there. So for gold, potentially long or going short here, or sorry, going long here is a opportunity on gold, just following the trend. Now we would, flipping bias. So 2 setups. NQ looks decently good here for a short. Dang, both look good right now. Sheesh. What's my risk on this? $400. Caramba. Yeah, when the dollar goes up, gold goes down, but it's all relative. I didn't take the NQ setup. Not feeling too confident about it. All right. Glad we didn't take that short. Yeah. I mean, I don't look at Asia lows and stuff like highs like that, but I'm pretty sure if I do this volume profile. To 730, it is bouncing off the value area low. Just the overnight session. So, nothing for me right now. Nothing for me. Chop suey. That was a nice sell off here. Take that off the table.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna trail my stop really tight on the 1 minute. I don't want to play games right now. Come on, push lower.
Order filled.
It's a risky trade, so I'm playing it safe. So that's why I trailed it tight with my stop loss, because that wick was really not good. Not good. My mind's going back and forth between NQ, and that's kind of messing me up right now, trying to find something. I think I'm going to settle with the fact that with gold, I will look to go long here if we come down. And then with NQ, I'd like to look for longs here since we broke this last higher low or lower high. So since we broke here, I would like to go long here. Oops. Okay, all right. Really need to wait for this break of the highs if it happens. It's dangerously close, so there might be just consolidation back and forth for a while here. If it just pushes lower, all right, here comes gold. Will it sweep the highs? Will it break this high and just continue higher? Or will it break out and come down lower? Happened. It broke. Still watching gold. I'm not too intrigued to do anything currently. Nice move. Mailman, what's up, bro? That was on the eval. This is the Funded Express account. Gold breakout is strong, very strong. I'm intrigued to possibly that if we catch up, if we get up here within the next few minutes, I will look to short this move. Up here though, nothing down here. F shorting gold, am I right? Yeah, right now, nothing. I feel safer taking the short up in this 1 hour supply. So I will look to potentially short here. So when you're going to add silver micros on your watch list, not anytime soon, man. Not anytime soon. I got silver here, right here, but yeah, I don't trade it. Maybe it's a good one to trade. Kind of seems like it, but I can't look at too many things. You know what I mean? Should have held my gold longer, still made out okay. Hey, dude, it's all good. You profit to profit. Yeah, news just too bullish and with trend as well at the moment. Take the trade, manage the risk, 100%. Exactly. If I were to take a long, I'd want to take it deep in this 5-minute demand down here. I'm going to be honest, you're the greasy when it comes to comebacks. You stay going from red to green. Yeah, bro. It does suck when I'm deep in red sometimes, but I do my best to stick to managing risk, and then when I'm in a winning trade, I try to let it run. Knew it. Court ruling delayed. Dang. Forgive my ignorance, but what is the court ruling about, guys? I know it's crazy, but I don't keep up as well as I probably should. You trade the Dow at all, starting to like it more and more, starting to like more. I don't trade the Dow. I just focus on gold and NQ. Crazy, not greasy. Oh. I don't know what you. I mean, I understood what you're trying to say, like as a whole. But yeah, man. Thanks. All right, I'm gonna take the stab long right here. Since we broke out, we had a 5-minute candle closure. Pretty strong. If we come down here, I will take it long. Ah. Yeah, if tariffs go away, psh, goodbye. Stocks all-time high. Crypto, everything all-time high. All right, legit. This is the only thing the last spot I'm going to take here. If it comes down. Be a rapper for a day and get rich, or still trading? Wait, are you saying choose one or the other? I'd probably still trade. I don't want to rap for a day. What sector you picked today? Sincerely. What's up? I just KNT, welcome back. I just focus on gold and NQ, man. I don't look at anything else. So it looks like gold doesn't want to come back. There he is. What's up, Eric? So ain't been joining as I got a new mentor, so I've been hopping on his calls. All good, bro. All good. We're all good. I'm a Dow, so why would I want to trade the Dow? Right, Shaq? You seen my last name? Yes, yes, you're right. Yes, correct. You are a Dow. I don't know if you want to trade your Dow. Yup, high. Yep. I mean, we're pushing higher, and that's good. NQ ripping higher. Good for everybody. Good. I don't want to chase it, I'd rather wait for a pullback. So I'd rather look for things on gold here. $14 more to go. It's up to y'all. Don't stop. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. What's up to your 5 friends? Well, gold didn't give me the opportunity to go long. It just continued higher. And Q. Going back. Possibly. Slow burn today, guys. Slow burn. We had the move long, and now we're at a slow burn. With the current session, volume profile indicator is very low volume. So you can see here, most of the volume was down here. So very low volume as we move higher with the current session, which tells me that there may be some sellers somewhere up here waiting. Hi, same. What's up? Explain how you are interpreting sellers higher because of the low volume. Well, with the low volume, I'm expecting that this run up, the buying pressure is low volume, meaning there's a lot of buyers right now, but there's not a lot of sellers. So, which means its price is obviously going to move up and start floating higher and higher. I'm suspecting that sellers are looking to come into a area where they find it more advantageous or cheaper for them to enter in for shorts. And I usually look for a supply, which this is a 1 hour supply that we look at. So this 1 hour supply, this was back in December 28th, 2025 is when this 1 hour supply formed. And essentially that's when it tapped, or that's when it created. It was never tapped and used. So there's orders here that were never ever filled, maybe possibly short. So I suspect that there's shorts waiting here to go short, and I'm gonna take that shot. It's Friday. I think people are trying to get it and get out. True. Yeah, you know, people might start taking profits up into this as we go higher, and the less buyers there are, the more sellers there are going to be, and price flips. The market is just an auction. It's nothing more, nothing less. Market's just an auction. So how close are you from an affiliate on YouTube? Like being a like making money from YouTube, Will? I already got my watch time hours. I have enough subs and everything, so I'm actually making money on YouTube. That's not a lot. I've made $25 in the last 30 days. $25. Monetize. Yeah. I am monetized now. I need to make more long form content. That's the problem. I just don't. It's not that I don't have the time. I need to make the time to do so. He is money. That's right. Oh, and Q did a thing. And Q sold everything, broke the high. It's coming back down. I like longs in this 5-minute demand on NQ. Not gonna lie. Gold, take it long or take it short up here. Guys, I actually have to pack up. I gotta hit the road today. Today's a long day ahead of me, so just know I'll be looking to short up here with gold. And then we'll be looking to long here on NQ if we get there. We didn't hit the 50 likes, so no giveaway today, my friends. I'm so sorry. We'll get back up to where we used to be. Takes time, effort, and we'll do it again. Longs on gold don't seem too bad up here. Okay, guys, I really have to go. Do you want me to chart down some video ideas for you so you could also keep them as beginner guides for the Discord? Yes, and yes. I will add that to my Remarkable tablet, and I will add it to video ideas that I will start to mark off. So please do. That would be great. Super help. Guys, I really got to go this time. Appreciate you. Join the Discord. If you haven't done so, hit the subscribe button. Would love to have you part of the family. And hope to see you in the next one. Have a good weekend. Stay safe out there. Enjoy your time with your family and friends. Love you guys. Uses.